Hi everybody, I'm Ryan Brown. I'm a Forex trader for the last almost 19 years now. I specialize in building algorithms, so auto trading robots that trade the Forex market for me. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically get started in auto trading and become, like me, a full-time profitable trader, but not needing the 19 years experience to actually do that. I'm going to show you the start to the finish of how to get involved in auto trading so you can start profiting basically from day one. The first thing that you're going to need is an expert advisor. This is a piece of software that trades the market on autopilot, so it's basically a robot. An expert advisor needs a trading platform. It needs MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. These are some of the most advanced trading platforms out there for retail traders. And they allow for us to do a lot of things when it comes to auto trading. So you can probably see my website right here. This is responsibleforextrading.com. I'm going to be using my expert advisors as examples. I'm biased here. You can find different expert advisor if you like somewhere else. But you can see that I have the Powerhouse, the Comeback Kid, the Ranger, the Vigorous, and the Sharpshooter. So I have 5 choices. It may be overwhelming, but each of these algorithms or expert advisors do different things. They look for different approaches in the market. So one looks for ranging, one looks for trend trading, one looks for scalping, which is basically in and out of the market really quickly, which is great for this type of market right now, which is really volatile and unpredictable. So you can check out the website, you can look at the tracked performances that I have available, allows you to track all the trades, all the wins and the losses, and on a daily basis. They're updated every 5 minutes, and you can see them and check them out on your own time. So what about the brokers, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5? These you'll need to basically use these expert advisors, and I recommend brokers like Oanda, but there are plenty of broker options out there. You just look up Forex brokers in your country, Forex broker reviews, and you might come up with a website called forexpeacearmy.com, which allows you to read user ratings for brokers. I also use an overseas broker since I live in the US and I need extra leverage to basically make more profit. And leverage basically allows us to borrow funds from the broker so we can actually see profit from the small changes that happen within the Forex market. And so that's why I use a broker overseas, because I'm a US resident and there are some restrictions for us, and that's why TurnkeyForex is a good option for me. But do your broker research, find out what's good for you when it comes to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and see what fits you the best. Okay, so coming back to my website, you'll see that these are the expert advisors. I hope that you can educate yourself on what type of trading that you're looking for, whether it's ranging, trending, or scalping. And the next step that you're going to want to do is look for a virtual private server. This is basically a virtual PC that's always connected to the internet. Why do we need this? We need to be able to set our robot on chart or on this MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 platform and basically allow it to see the market and take trades all the time, 24/5, because the markets are open 24/5. And if it's not constantly connected, then we have to worry about our PC at home being connected to the internet, and maybe we have a power outage or something happens and our computer shuts off. If we have a virtual server, that means that we will always get all the available auto trades from the expert advisor that we're using. So I like to use a company called Contabo. Contabo is pretty inexpensive for a virtual private server. You can see that they start at about $7 a month. But if you use a Windows-based server, I think it's about $13 a month, which is still really conservative, especially if you're making profit from your algorithm on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. So what that looks like if you go to the virtual private server is you'll see that it looks pretty much like a Windows computer. And you can see all the programs over here on the left side. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to install our MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform on this virtual private server. And once we do that, we install our expert advisor into our MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform. And you can see what it looks like. You can see the Sharpshooter over here showing us that we are actively looking for trades. And once this is active, then we basically can minimize it or leave it open, and it's constantly looking for trades in the market, looking for setups, looking for opportunities, and making a profit basically on a daily basis. So this is the beauty about using a virtual private server, is that we're always making sure that we're catching every available trade, even if it costs $13 a month, which is, I think, is a little amount for the capability that we're giving our expert advisor. So guys, that's pretty much all I wanted to share in this video, and that's how you basically set up going from a manual trader to an auto trader. You find your expert advisor, you set up your MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 broker, you find a virtual private server, and you connect it, you set it up. The process takes probably anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour. It depends on how skilled you are when it comes to technology, but the process is a one-time thing, and once you're set up, you can walk away and let the algorithm take over and make a profit for you on a daily basis. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Catch you on the next one.